So here at LSPedia, there's no dongles, no additional connections that you need to use in order to integrate with any of the softwares you're receiving at the health system level.
Mhm.
Can you tell me more about that?
Absolutely. So LSPedia plays very well with others. We're API driven, and our system is built to connect. So rather than having to purchase hardware or dongles, and connect into all of your systems to scan, which causes issues, we have direct connections. So we have APIs that we connect directly with the hospital systems, whether that's their EHR, their PMS, their WMS systems. It really doesn't matter. We've been there, done that. We've established these connections. So our system is called OneScan for a reason. Utilize LSPedia to do the receiving process, and then we seamlessly push that information, that data, to all those systems. And through the LSPedia system, you can even designate and control which products are going into which system, which makes it very effective. So you're no longer having to scan into multiple systems. You're just scanning once into OneScan. Now, depending on the systems that the hospital or health system is using, they may even be able to receive within those systems, depending. LSPedia has a lot of partnerships and specific integrations with health systems that allows them to, for example, scan into their carousel as they currently do. And then on the back end, that carousel, the software is pinging LSPedia's system via API to ensure that all the data is there. And if there's any issues, then they receive that notification within that carousel system. So there's absolutely no need to purchase any additional hardware. We have tried and true, integrations with these systems. That's a huge reason why these health systems are switching to LSPedia, right? Because they don't want to have to deal with that. They want a simple system that they can just scan a product once, and the data is there, and the data can seamlessly be pushed to all the other systems.
Yeah. So based on what you're hearing, how well does that dongle system work for these health systems?
I haven't heard that it works yet. So that's about as much as I can say. I've heard a lot of frustration, especially for, as mentioned, if you don't have all those systems right next to each other, how are you going to connect them with the wire? So there's no need for that. We're a cloud-based system, and we have those seamless integrations.
Yeah. Now, do we support wireless scanning?
Absolutely. So if you have a wireless scanner, you can utilize that in our system. A lot of our customers have like a Zebra or Honeywell wireless scanner. There's others available. But even if you don't have those types of scanners, our system will allow you to scan using your mobile device. So if you have an Android or iOS, you can use that. You can even use a tablet. We have quite a lot of pharmacies actually that are using a tablet device in their receiving area, and they can use the camera system on there to scan directly into our system.
Yep. And then from a warehouse level, do we support scanning at a DC?
Absolutely. LSPedia's background started with manufacturing and wholesale distribution, and as DSCSA progressed, we moved into the dispenser, the health system, pharmacy space. So we have a robust system for not only DCs, distribution centers, but central mail order pharmacies, as well as wholesale distributors, 3PLs, repackagers. I mean, we even have health systems that do their own repackaging. So, if you have a complex supply chain like that, you're absolutely going to need a partner like LSPedia that has the capabilities for that. One is serialization generation. So if you're repackaging, you need to be able to apply serial numbers to them sometimes. And secondly, outbound data. So that's a big piece. There are quite a few health systems that have a wholesale distribution license that can sell. Maybe they repackage, or maybe they just sell to other hospitals or pharmacies. And to do that, you need to make sure that your partner has outbound EPCIS capabilities.
Yeah. Now, one of the most common questions I get, now talk to me about what if my health system uses an ERP or a WMS? Are you able to integrate with those systems?
Absolutely. I would say we already have those integrations, connected. It doesn't matter if you're using an SAP, a Manhattan, a Do-It, a VAI, BlueLink, whatever the system that you're using for your ERP or WMS, we integrate seamlessly with those systems, and we talk back and forth. So we just ping that information, whether you're doing your pick, pack, ship inside of your ERP, or you're using LSPedia's Edge module to do the pick, pack, ship. It doesn't matter. We can facilitate that bidirectional communication.